Introduction. Highly infectious disease caused by three serotypes of poliovirus. Primarily an infection of GIT and about 1% get CNS infections. Spectrum of clinical manifestations: inapparent infections, non-specific febrile illness, aseptic meningitis, paralytic disease, death. Infection most often recognized by acute onset of flaccid paralysis. Problem: pre-vaccination era worldwide. Since introduction of vaccine in 1954 eliminated in developed countries. 1988 World Health Assembly resolved to eradicate polio globally. In 1988, it was endemic 125 countries. By 2008, in 4 countries. Since February 2012, India polio free. Then coming to definition of poliomyelitis. Poliomyelitis is highly infectious viral disease which destructs the motor neurons and damages the brain and spinal cord and is characterized by muscle weakness and paralysis. Then coming to sequel of polio infection. Polio infection, inapparent infection 91 to 96 percentage. Clinical poliomyelitis is abruptive polio, minor illness that is 4 to 8 percentage, involvement of central nervous system, major illness, and then it comes to paralytic polio less than 1 percentage, and another one is non-paralytic polio 2 to 10 percentage. In paralytic polio, that is again spinal polio, bulbar polio, and bulbospinal polio. These are the clinical manifestations. Then coming to clinical manifestations, inapparent subclinical infections. In that, no clinical manifestations, but infection is associated with acquired immunity and carrier state. And second one is abruptive polio, minor illness, mild systemic manifestations for 1 or 2 days only, then clears up, giving immunity. Manifestations include moderate fever, pharyngitis or sore throat, vomitings, abdominal pain, diarrhea. And coming to clinical manifestations include involvement of central nervous system, that is the major illness. In that, A is non-paralytic polio. Manifested by fever, headache, nausea, vomiting, abdominal pain, pain and stiffness in the neck, back and limbs may also occur. The case either recovers or passes to the paralytic stage. Then coming to clinical manifestations under paralytic poliomyelitis. Paralysis usually appear around 7 to 10 days from onset of the disease. Presented with fever, anorexia, nausea, vomiting, headache, sore throat, constipation, abdominal pain, may be sign of meningeal irritation. Tripod sign: difficulties in sitting or sits by supporting hands at back and by partially flexing a hip and knee. These are clinical manifestation under paralytic poliomyelitis. Then coming to clinical manifestations of poliomyelitis, different paralytic manifestations according to the part of the central nervous system involved. With destruction of the motor nerve cells but not the sensory nerve cells, and paralysis reach the maximum in less than 4 days, in majority of cases 4 to 7 days. Forms: First one is spinal, second one is bulbar, and third one is bulbospinal. Then coming to clinical manifestations of spinal polio. In that, different spinal nerves are involved due to injury of the anterior horn cells of the spinal cord, causing tenderness, weakness, flaccid paralysis of the corresponding striated muscles. The lower limbs are the most commonly affected. Paralysis, characterized as descending, that is, starts at hip and then moving down to the distal part of the extremity. Asymmetrical, patchy, and muscle strengthen varies in different muscle groups of different limbs. Proximal muscle groups are more involved than distal one. Then coming to bulbar poliomyelitis clinical manifestations, nuclei of the cranial nerves are involved, causing weakness of the supplied muscles and maybe encephalitis. Bulbar manifestations include dysphagia, nasal voice, fluid regurgitations from the nose, difficulty chewing, and facial weakness and diplopia. Paralysis of the muscles of the respiration is the most serious life-threatening manifestation. Then coming to bulbospinal polio, clinical manifestations are combination of both spinal and bulbar forms. Then coming to among children who are paralyzed by polio, 30% make a full recovery and 30% are left with mild paralysis. 30% have medium to severe paralysis. 10% maybe die. Then coming to strategies for polio eradication program. In that, the strategies for polio eradication is conduct the pulse polio immunization days every year until poliomyelitis is eradication. Sustain high level of routine immunization coverage. And third point is monitor surveillance capable of detecting all cases of AFP due to polio and non-polio etiology. AFP means acute flaccid paralysis. Then fourth point is ensure rapid case investigations including the collection of stool samples for virus isolation. Fifth point is follow up of all cases of AFP at 60 days. And the sixth one is conduct outbreak control for cases confirmed or suspected to be poliomyelitis to stop transmission. Then coming to line listing of cases. Started in year 1989 to look for, in the first point is check for duplication of the cases. Second point is year of onset of illness to screen the children with residual paralysis who developed poliomyelitis prior to year of reporting. And third one is identification of high risk pockets. And fourth one is add documentations of high risk age groups. Line listing of cases made it possible to take appropriate follow-up action in areas from where cases have been reported, also provides useful epidemiological data for program purpose. Coming to pulse polio immunization, started from 1995, aim is to break the chain of transmission of wild polio virus existing in the community by replacing it with the vaccine virus in the guts. Then coming to mass immunization campaign, pulse polio immunization. Pulse, sudden and mass administration of OPV on a single day to all children 0 to 5 years of age irrespective of their previous polio vaccination status. It is additional to routine immunization, also known as NIDs, National Immunization Days. Then kept during winter season, that is November to February, and maximum 2 rounds with not less than 4 weeks and more than 3 months gap. Additional rounds are kept depending on incidence of polio cases in a state. Then why during winter season the low transmission in the winter and better cold chain maintenance, better immunization rate, less prevalences of other intestinal organism, better complaints of field staff for house to house activity. International Pulse Polio Immunization Sunday booths round, successive Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday house to house church to vaccinate children who have not received vaccine on Sunday. Then conduct the mobile team IPP rounds. Coming to mopping up. This activity is lost in polio eradication. Mopping up involves door-to-door immunization in high-risk districts where wild polio virus is known or suspected to be still circulating. In the mopping off after the detection of case in an area, immunization to all children under 5 years of age in the block or district. Then polio laboratories. In that, national labs, referral labs, global specialized lab for polio are available. In national labs, identify the presence of polio virus in sample and reference lab confirms the vaccine or wild virus, and global specialized lab for polio identify not only polio strain but its genetic derive. And coming to complications of poliomyelitis. In that, skeletal deformities, tightening of the joints, movement disability, scoliosis, osteoporosis, increased likelihood of bone fracture, compression neuropathy, pulmonary edema, aspiration pneumonia, urinary tract infections, kidney stones, paralytic ileus, myocarditis, cor pulmonale. Then complications and case fatality. Respiratory complications include pneumonia and pulmonary edema. Cardiovascular complications includes myocarditis, cor pulmonale, and late complications in that soft tissue and bone deformities, osteoporosis, chronic distension of the colon. Case fatality varies from 1% to 10% according to the form of disease. Here in bulbar, complications and age, fatality increases with the age. I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe my channel, share and like and comment. Thank you for watching this video.